An Affinitates virtual forum sponsored by Children's Organ Transplant Association recently took place. While healthcare is becoming more complex every day, these leaders came together to discuss how effective partnerships bring them success. Here are a few video highlights.
Families are kind of depending on or expecting or whatever are going to fall to sort of third-party organizations, service providers that can step in and help in those situations. So I think it's critical.
I just connect with so many of them, talking about Bloomington, Indiana. There's a great support group there that they go to, once a month. And so they are starting to have several support groups all over different areas. And that's one of the things that we're working towards here in Charlotte.
They sound like cost centers. It sounds like it's going to be cost prohibitive. It's going to hurt the bottom line if we invest in something, if we spend the time to look into something. But what is it freeing you up to do? And that's what partnerships, bringing it all back, that's what partnerships do.
It's also on patient satisfaction. It's also on employee engagement. It's not exclusively on the financial piece. But so where there are opportunities, I think where I've found opportunities for healthcare systems to really partner is when it's in their financial interest to partner, because they want to be able to outsource something or find a new innovative way that reduces their cost structure.
If you were a cost center, you tended to get less revenue to build your staff and your team. And social work is an example of an area that is definitely a cost center. So that tends to be the side of the house that we work in hospitals with transplant. So those are the kind of things that we're asking the same questions of: how do we add value? How do we show them that we're providing a win?
We're all in this together. We can help. There are people out here that are suffering. And as far as my hospital, the reason I'm in Charlotte, North Carolina right now in my motorhome is to go back out and support my hospital and to make sure that the programs are still around, to go out into the community and see what they need.
And that's where we rely on these other partners, and they're everything. It's always a strategic initiative for us, is to make sure we have those good community partnerships, because not only do they support us in providing that holistic approach to patient care, but I mean, they're a make you or break you as far as I'm concerned.
How important are partnerships to you? Will they make or break your success? Add a comment below or send a message to share your thoughts.